Anyway, hello all. Just running to the coffee shop, pick up some kofefi, and yep, that's about it today. Maybe something a little bit later, but nothing really planned. Nothing planned. Took the Speed Triple out for a ride yesterday, and I forgot how much fun that bike is. I mean, I felt so much better on it after riding this for a while. I knew what it was going to do. It felt, going in the corners, it felt a lot more comfortable than I had ever had before. And yeah, I had I rode for like 2 hours yesterday, just riding around the neighboring counties or villages, and just trying to get myself back acclimated to it. And that was the most fun I've ever had on that bike since I've been out here, and or ever, I should say, because I just felt a lot more comfortable on it. And I get back home to upload the video. I take it off the camera, and I take the video off the camera, and then I go to watch it, and there's no audio. So the only thing I can think of is a continuing issue that I have with the Sessions 5 GoPro, and with the other GoPros that I've had, like after version 2, I think, or version 3, is that you got to use this brick, and you got to connect your mic into that brick, and that brick connects to the camera. And since they don't make updates for the Session 5 anymore or anything, if there was an update, I think I did the last update on it, and that was supposed to help this issue, but it really doesn't. So what I end up doing is I end up turning on the camera and waiting a couple seconds until it boots up, and then plugging in the microphone. And I do that every single time, and it's a pain in the ass, but that's what needs to be done. And yesterday what I did is I didn't quite do that sequence the right way. I turned on the camera, and as it was powering up, I unplugged the mic and plugged it in, and it didn't register the mic was there. So this time, this is one reason for this video that I wanted to do, is to make sure that to make sure it's working in the way I think it should, with my workaround for this issue that I have with this setup. So if that all goes good, then you'll be hearing this. If not, then this is another video that's going to sit on the hard drive until I decide to trash it. That being said, I'll probably do that video again next weekend or something, if it's not raining. This is Memorial Day weekend, and the fuzz is really around making sure people do what they're supposed to do, not speeding, not drunk driving, because you have that a lot, drunk driving and whatnot. So it's like people are back from church. How you doing? Extra love. No decaf.
How's it going, my good sir?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Good, good. Just these two for you today?
Yeah.
Awesome. Do you need these guys ground at all?
No.
Like the outfit.
Huh?
Like the outfit you got on.
Oh, thanks.
Looking good. So can I get you a bag at all?
Oh, no. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you take care.
All right. Oh, excuse me.
Everybody's running in circles.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Let's see if I can fit these little guys in this woman's bag here. Or actually, it's a little Molly bag. I think I should be able to fit them both in here. Oh yeah, no problem. Where did I put my phone? That may be a problem. Did I put it? Right here. All right. Need to get some gas. You know what? Let's go down this way for just a little bit of a change. One thing for sure is that speed triple with the way I was riding it, yeah, you need ear protection. And I didn't have any on, and I wish I would have, because my ears were ringing for at least 2 or 3 hours after I got back home. I mean, they even feel like they're slightly ringing now. So maybe I will not do anything with this exhaust, because I'd like to enjoy this without having, you know, my ears ringing, without all that extra noise. So I think I'll focus on the comfort seat, and I'll focus on getting a rear shock for this, an adjustable shock, which will make it taking the bumps a lot better, because right now it's pretty harsh. I'll go up to my left here and head up 52. What are you doing, dude? I'm already in this fucking lane. Yesterday I was passing people that were doing 70, but with this bike you just don't feel like doing that. I mean, I did pass people when they were doing 45 in a 50, but my usual speed limit I like to maintain is about 60, so shouldn't have a problem with that. Hey, the check engine light, the fuel light's on, and we've noticed that when the gauge reads about half, or a little less than half, I can only put 1.5 gallons in. So now the light's on, let's see how much I can get in. was a dip. Well, there it is. I found it. Yep, I can definitely tell you this this seat and this rear shock is what's aggravating my back, because I didn't have any of that issue yesterday on the Speed Triple, but today the pain is starting to come back. It's like lower mid back and lower back. So there's 2 bars left and the light is on, so we'll see. I bet I could probably put 1.8 in 1.7 gallons, because I want to say that when the light comes on, you have 20 miles. That's what I want to say. Yeah, this gas cap sucks. Sucks to monkey balls. What do we got? 1.7? 1.6? Let's see. And I'll fill her up slow. Make sure she gets all the fuels. Doesn't falsely stop. .3. Are you sure? Yeah, 1.3. Brings it right up to the top. It says it's a 2.3 gallon tank, so does that mean I got 1 gallon left? Maybe it does. And I get more than 20 miles to the gallon, so I don't know. Maybe I'll drive it around to 1 bar next time. I don't know. That's it.